Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the news ticker block, a perfect tool to display scrolling headlines, updates, or announcements on your WordPress site. Let's get started. First, go to the section where you want your news ticker. I'll open my home page, header section. Click the plus icon, search for news ticker, and insert the aBlocks news ticker block. Let's customize our news ticker. In the General tab, start with direction. Set it to left for a right-to-left scroll. Next, adjust speed on a slow to fast scale. Next, there's pause on hover to let users pause the ticker by hovering. Position sticky makes the ticker stick to the screen while scrolling. Show label adds a label before the ticker, and Show navigator includes navigation arrows for manual control. Now in Query Builder, choose query type as custom text to add your own headlines. Add a ticker item, set the text, and add a link for more details. Let's customize the ticker label. In the Ticker Label section, under the Content tab, start with Sticky Label. Set it to display a label before the ticker. Next, choose Ticker Shape. I'll set it to normal for a standard rectangular label, but you can pick others. Then, set Label Tag to H1 for proper HTML structure, or choose another tag if needed. Adjust label position to left so the label appears on the left side of the ticker. Finally, set padding to add some spacing inside the label for a clean look. Let's style the ticker label. Switch to the Style tab in the Ticker Label section. First, set the color for the text. Next, set a background for the label. Then, adjust typography. Let's customize the ticker body. Under Ticker List Style, set it to circle or left at default. Next, we'll style the ticker text itself. Let's keep going. Move to the Style tab in the Ticker Body section. First, set the content height. Set the color for the text. Next, set a background for the label. Then, adjust typography. After all your customizations, click the Save or Publish button to apply the changes. Now check the preview. Here's ours, a sleek news ticker ready to keep your visitors updated. That's it. Your aBlocks news ticker is live and engaging. If you love this tutorial, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.